okay? And we're not going to take a ton of time to do this because we already did this earlier this year. So, and I don't know why it's not. Okay. So, for instance, let's say that we are factoring x squared plus 2x minus 24. Is it not on?
No.
Thank you. X squared plus 2x minus 24. Okay. Who remembers how to factor that? It's going to be two sets of parentheses. Okay. So basically what we're going to do is we're rewriting this as two factors. Okay. So what we want to do, we want to find two things that multiply to equal negative 24 but add up to 2. So we're going to put an x in both parentheses. Okay. Remember this?
Yes.
Okay, so what would it be?
6.
6 and 4, so it would be positive 6 and negative 4. Positive 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. Positive 6 plus negative 4 is positive 2. So there it's factored. Okay. What we're going to do later, once we review the factoring, is we're going to take these quadratic equations, we're going to rewrite them like this, and we set them equal to 0, and then we can solve it. Okay, that's where we're going with it. So for now, we just need to make sure that we remember how to factor. So these are the easy ones when there's nothing in front of the x squared. So how about this one? X squared plus 7x minus 18. Who's got that? There's nothing in front of the x, so that means we just put an x. 9 and 2. Good. 9 and 2. Okay. How about this one? X squared plus 10x plus 9. Has to be 9 and 1. There's only two ways to factor that 9. It's either 3 and 3 or 9 and 1. So then we have to figure out which two add up to 10. It has to be the 9 and 1. Okay. Okay, this is a harder one. X squared minus 15x plus 56. Now don't shout it out. Okay. How do we factor this 56? Well, it could be 28 and 2, could be 14 and 4, could be 7 and 8. Which combination will add up to 15? The 7 and 8. Now, since this is positive, the only way to multiply two numbers and get a positive is if they are both positive or if they're both negative. They have to both be negative because it has to add up to a negative number. Okay? One more and then I'll let you work on your worksheet. Say x squared minus 14x plus 45. I need two things that multiply to equal 45. It's either 1 and 45 or 5 and 9. Or it could be 3 and 15, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is positive, so they have to both be negative or both be positive. They have to both be negative because that's negative. Which combination is going to add up to 14? 5 and 9. Okay? Okay, so there is a worksheet in Google Classroom that I would like you to work on. It's called Factoring Review. When you finish, you can just work on other things quietly. Please do not help each other. Okay? Let me rephrase that. If you're helping by explaining how to do it, that's okay. But don't help by telling the person what the factors are. Okay? And I know you get feeling good about yourself because you got it and you want to make sure you share that really fast. But please don't do that.